This video aims to measure the surface morphology of intact and corroded steel bars.
We will demonstrate and evaluate 5 different methods, including mass loss, vernier caliper measurements, joint measurements, 3D scanning, and XCT of a steel bar.
3D scanning is the best method for measurement of the spatial variability of corrosion penetration on the surface of a corroded bar.
The corrosion measurements obtained with the 3D scanning method would enable engineers to evaluate the safety and surface life of existing engineering structures in our society much more precisely and reliably.
Demonstrating the procedure will be Mr. Huilai Han, a technician from a laboratory, and Mr. Shenglin, a technician from Shenzhen HOLON 3-dimensional technology.
To begin, mark a polished 500 mm long, 14 mm diameter steel bar in 10 mm increments. Then, use zeroed vernier calipers to measure the diameter of the bar at the first mark, with the jaws gently touching the bar. Perform 3 more measurements, rotating the calipers by 45 degrees each time, for a total of 4 measurements at 45-degree intervals. Repeat this process for each mark on the bar. Average the diameters at each mark and calculate the cross sections. Then, cut 30 mm from each end of